Good morning. I know that Sol Lookout Regional Physician Services Incorporated, also known as LIPSI, provides physician services in my riding for hospital services, but also in the community to provide physician services. When I came here to get into politics, I used to be part of that board, and at that time they had 18 FTEs out of the 55 FTEs that they were funded for. Physician services are very hard to recruit and to retain them as well. But also, at the community level, we don't have any hospitals. We have one hospital in Sol Lookout, and it's really hard to provide that service, so we have these federal nursing station models. There are a lot of unnecessary suffering and needless deaths that happen because of sometimes the jurisdiction that happen, the use of jurisdiction of providing services. How will Fort Severn, the most northerly community in Ontario, how will this bill help the people of Fort Severn so they get proper access where it's more convenient, where they get access to more convenient care? Miigwech.
Thank you. I recognize answer the Minister of Health. Sorry.
Thank you, Speaker. So, of course, this piece of proposed legislation, if passed, is one of the many pieces that we are working on. The member opposite rightly highlights the need to encourage and actually provide opportunities for both young people who want to train and practice in the province of Ontario. We've done that through a very clear directive with the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Ontario to say quickly assess, review, and ultimately license, when appropriate, internationally train. We have seen, and as my remarks mentioned, a substantial, historic third year in a row increase in the number of internationally trained who want to practice in the province of Ontario. Of course, we have also done expansions domestically, internally with our medical schools, and that, of course, includes additional seats, almost 50% of which in NOSM are actually for family physicians who are training in the north. And we know and we have the data that shows if you train in Northern Ontario, you are far more likely to stay and continue to practice because it's a beautiful place to be.